Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to make a pen stand from a wooden box. So you can also use cardboard if you don't have a wooden stand like this. Next I am going to take 12 ice cream sticks. I am going to cut each ice cream stick according to the breadth of the side of the wooden box. Now let's paste these ice cream sticks on the side of wooden box. 3 pieces on each side. I am using craft glue for sticking this, and make sure that you stick each stick at equal distance from each other. Now let's paint this wooden box with gesso. Gesso is primer or base coat. If you don't have gesso, you can make homemade gesso easily with talcum powder and glue. Check the description box for homemade gesso recipe. I am painting the edge also. Now let the gesso dry fully. Our gesso has dried fully. Now let's start painting the box. I am using this lavender color chalk paint. I am painting the ice cream stick part with this chalk paint. If you haven't used gesso, you may need more coats of paint. Now I am adding 1 drop of lavender color chalk paint to the white acrylic paint so that I get a very light violet or lilac color. Let's start painting. I am painting the rest of areas except the edge with this paint. If your white paint has spilled to other areas, just wait for it to dry completely and apply the other color over it. Do not try to wipe or apply paint before drying. I am painting the edges with lavender color chalk paint itself. I have this wooden embellishment and I am gluing white foam flower over it, and I am going to glue the whole thing over our box. Finally, I am adding this deco sticker over the blank area. Finally, protect our work with varnish. I am using clear deco varnish from Itsy Bitsy. Thank you for watching. I hope all of you like this cute wooden pen stand.